I ignored form submission for months because my form broke. Big mistake. Today, I will build it right. A form is your handshake. Test that connection early. Now let's just create our form. For that we will have a section with the ID of contact and the area label of contact me. After that we will have an h2 which is contact me, and then we will start the form with the ID of contact form and no validate. Then we will have a label, and the label will be for the name input, and the value also will be name. Then we will have an input type of text with the ID of name, and this is required. After that we will do the same to email, and then we will have a label for the message, and this message will use a text area with the ID of message, and it will have 5 rows and it's required. Then we will have a button type of submit with a class of btn and the value of send message. After that we will have a paragraph with the ID of form message and a class of form message. And a style but structurally sound. Users can't submit yet, but we will fix that soon. Labels tied to inputs are accessibility gold. Never skip them. Here is a challenge for you. Try capturing a phone number with a simple regex pattern. Matching is fun. Let's just commit our page. With the message of episode 7 contact form HTML. Episode 8 we will lay the CSS groundwork with variables and a reset. See you soon.